82% of Indonesia company formations fail apostille checks in 2026. If you're missing one document, you'll lose weeks, and here's how TheBaliLawyer fixes it. Here's the problem. Most people send the wrong documents. Your passport copy needs apostille certification from your home country first, not Indonesia. That's 7 to 14 days minimum. Bank reference letters expire after 90 days. Get yours dated within 60 days of filing, or Indonesia rejects it outright. Indonesia changed apostille rules in January 2026. Now every foreign director document needs home country apostille before Indonesian notarization. A UK founder flies to Bali, signs the PT/PMA papers, then discovers his birth certificate isn't apostilled. The notary refuses to file. He waits 21 days for the UK Foreign Office to apostille and ship it back. His lease starts in 10 days. This is exactly why we built TheBaliLawyer, to handle the entire apostille chain before you ever book the flight. Most people fail here. They assume the Indonesian notary will accept scanned copies or that apostille happens in Bali. It doesn't. Your passport, birth certificate, and bank reference must be apostilled in your passport country first, then couriered to Indonesia. DIY founders spend $340 on FedEx alone and still miss the 90-day bank letter window. With TheBaliLawyer, we coordinate the apostille queue in your home country and the notary schedule in Bali so every document lands on time. Step 1 is getting your passport bio page apostilled. In the US, that's your Secretary of State, takes 5 to 10 business days and costs $15 to $50 depending on state. In the UK, it's the Foreign Commonwealth Office, for week standard or 1 week fast track for £75. TheBaliLawyer can arrange the apostille courier service in 14 countries so you don't mail original documents yourself. We use bonded couriers and the average turnaround is 12 days from your doorstep to our Bali office. Next is your bank reference letter, and this is important. The letter must be dated, printed on bank letterhead, signed by a branch officer, and apostilled within 90 days of your .PMA filing date. Indonesian immigration checks the timestamp. If the apostille is 91 days old, they reject the entire application and you start over. TheBaliLawyer requests the letter from your bank with exact wording, gets it apostilled the same week, and holds it until your company is ready to file so the 90-day clock never runs out. Here's the problem. Path A is doing it yourself. You research apostille offices, mail your passport, wait 3 to 6 weeks, pay $180 in courier fees, then discover Indonesia also needs a no criminal record certificate that takes another 4 weeks. Path B is TheBaliLawyer handling the entire document stack for $850. We apostille all 5 required documents, coordinate timing with the notary, and your PT/PMA files within 18 days of signing the retainer. Now here's the exact wording you need on your bank reference letter. Copy this. To whom it may concern. This is to certify that your full legal name has maintained account number with bank name since date. The account is in good standing with an average balance of amount over the past 12 months. Your name has no outstanding loans or negative records with this institution. Signed, bank officer name and title, dated, current date. That's it. Any extra sentences confuse the Indonesian notary. Once the bank prints it, you have 7 days to get it apostilled before it ages out of the freshness window. Or skip all this and let TheBaliLawyer handle the bank coordination and apostille courier in one package. To whom it may concern. This is to certify that your full legal name has maintained account number with bank name since date. The account is in good standing with an average balance of amount over the past 12 months. Your name has no outstanding loans or negative records with this institution. Signed, bank officer name and title, dated, current date. Apostilled passport and birth certificate in your home country first. Bank letter must be dated within 90 days of filing. Stop doing this yourself. TheBaliLawyer handles Indonesia PT PMA formation and every apostille document for $850. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for help setting up your Indonesia PT PMA with zero apostille headaches. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.